If you want to design any member or still connection using any application or custom template, first thing you need is the member forces. Do you know you can extract the required member forces directly from your stat model using OpenStat functions? Hi, my name is Surajit Ghosh, and in this video, I'll show you how you can filter and extract only the required analysis results from any stat model using a custom OpenStat user tool. This is an Excel-based macro. I have used these two OpenStat functions to extract intermediate member force and end force values for any load case. If you want to know more about OpenStat functions and generation of custom tools, you can check my previous videos. To download, visit our official user tools gallery page. Direct download link is provided in the description of this video. Simply log in, download, and save it in any local drive. There are multiple filter options provided in this tool. You can extract member forces for all load cases present in the model, or you can also use only the combination loads. I have included another option to specify the load case numbers if you want member forces for specific loads. Similarly, you can extract results for all members present in the model, specify the member numbers here, or even select the members in stat model and extract only for those members. Next, you can filter the force components. By default, all 6 components are extracted. But if you need only few components, like only axial force and biaxial moments, then you can accordingly select the forces from here. And finally, most important input, you can extract force at any distance either by specifying the internal division numbers like 12 divisions, which is commonly used for member design in STAT. You can also provide the distance or section information, and on basis of that, member force at those locations are extracted. This is similar to the traditional section command available in STAT. Also, I have included another option to extract the member end forces only. I think this will help you if you want to perform connection design. On basis of all these inputs, member forces are extracted from the STAT model along with the file name and unit system. Note that this unit depends on the base unit setup, and you can change this anytime by changing the base unit from STAT interface. Also, I have included member length information in the table. OpenStat functions work with the OpenStat model, and if you try to run this file without opening any model, then you will notice a warning message. To run this code, first open a stat file and check whether the analysis results are available or not. If the analysis results are not available, then it is not possible to extract any member force and a warning is reported. Say you want to extract member forces from this model for all load cases and for this selected members at 12 divisions. Just provide the inputs properly in this user tool, and once done, click on this tab and all member forces are extracted in this table. See how easy it is to extract analysis results from STAT? Before next run, you can clear the outputs using Clear Results tab. This time, I will extract forces for all load combinations for member 1 to 10 at each quarter point. Length of the members are different, so select section list and provide section information. For this case, it is 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 along with the start and end. Also, I want to extract only axial force and two moment values. Simply click on this tab and see all the selected member force values are extracted for these members at every quarter. You can also notice the actual member length printed next to the member number. If you have any in-house program or third-party application for member or connection design, you can simply use these member forces as an input for design. If you need any further information, click on this Help tab. From here, you can check the version number, directly open this video tutorial or document file, and if you want, you can contact me for further information. Also, don't forget to check for updates. I have already released few updates for my previous tools. That's all. Let me know in the comment if this tool helps you or if you have any feature suggestion. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.